Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to check recently added on Snapchat. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So before starting this video, make sure that your Snapchat application is up to dated. Just go to the Play Store and Apple App Store and update your Snapchat application. And after this, open up the Snapchat application on your Android and iOS. And then from there, basically click on this chat option here, and then click on this plus option next to chat at the top right here, and then basically click on the three dots at the top right. And now here in the last you can see this option where it says recently added. So click on this one and it will show you the list of those Snapchatters that you have added recently. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.